In this video, I will be doing a review of the Splendor Planner Love Notebooks, the Splendor Planner Love Sticky Notes, the Gingham Farm Planner Notebooks, and the Gingham Farm Love Sticky Notes, all goodies from the Franklin Planner website. If you're watching from YouTube, all of the items shown in this video can be found by expanding the description area underneath the video where you will find links to the items. Also, you can save money on the Franklin Planner website by using discount promo code Tonya Plans. I'm going to start this review with the Gingham Farm Planner Notebooks. In these notebooks, you get a 3-pack. Now these notebooks coordinate with the Gingham Farm Planner series, and let me show you my planner that it coordinates with. This is the Gingham Farm Planner Love binder, and as you can see, these notebooks coordinate with it. So this is one, and in each notebook there are 30 pages. Now the outside of the notebook is more like a matte color. I'm gonna put this up close so you can see it. On the front here it says noted. It's a black background, and the flowers are like a lighter gray, darker gray with some off-white colors in it. And this is the back. And this is how the spine looks. Looks like it's a sewn spine. These notebooks are very hard to find. I can't find too many notebooks with the spine like this. And I was looking for slender notebooks like this because I wanted to use them in the secretarial pocket of my planner. So I would be able to stick them in my planner like this. So this is the classic size, and just to show you, it fits in the classic size fine. And I also have the compact size right here, and I'll show you how that fits in the secretarial pocket. And I plan to use these notebooks to keep certain ideas together. So this is the compact. I have to push it down a little bit, but it does fit in the compact size as well. So you can use these notebooks to keep like ideas together. So if you don't like the idea of having loose pages in your planner, now what I'd like to do is I just make a section as well in my planner if I want to put like ideas together. But for my small business, I thought it'd be nice to put all of my thoughts and everything having to do with the small business in a small notebook such as this. So the pages are lined on the front and back, and I believe in the description on the Franklin Planner website it says that the pages are blank, but in fact they are lined. Now, an advantage with a notebook like this that's sewn, not only does it have a slender profile so you can stick it in your ring-bound planner or your wire-bound planners, but also they should be easier to lie flat. So because it's sewn like this, you should be able to lay flat, so when you write, there's nothing getting in the way of your handwriting. There's no coils. There are no spirals, nothing. You should be able to just write freely and lay the notebook flat. So let's take a look at the other notebooks. This one is a black and off-white stripe and the front and the back are the same, and these pages are aligned as well. And the final Gingham Farm notebook looks like this, which has a large gingham pattern, and it's like a black, a tan, and a gray color. And that's the back, and the pages are lined. So let's look at the Planner Love notebook pack, and that's this one. And it says here, Franklin Planner plus My Mind's Eye Planner Love, and there are 3 notebooks. Now these notebooks were made to coordinate, of course, with the Splendor Planner Love binders. And as you can see, they match the binder here. The green is slightly a different color than this, but nonetheless they do match. And let me give you a close-up of this. It is a dark green background with florals that are pink, light pink, off-white, and tan. This is how the back looks. And the pages are lined. And the spine is sewn. This is beautiful. I love these birds. This has a pink background with a darker pink pattern on the front with little birds. I love it. And again, the pages are lined, and there are 30 pages in each notebook, front and back. And this is the final notebook here. It's like a beige background, and it has the Splendor Love floral pattern that matches the binder here. And this also matches some of the tab dividers and pocket dividers. So they will all match and coordinate. And on here it says Lovely Day. And the back is just a plain blue stripe. Again, 30 pages. Okay, so next I'm going to review the sticky notes. So these are the Splendor Love sticky notes. And what I like about this is the slim profile. This is very, very slender. So when you put this in your binder, I do not like a lot of bulk in my secretarial pocket. In fact, I used to use my planner as a wallet, and I stopped doing that because when I went to write on my planner pages, I didn't like the lumpiness under my pages, making my handwriting all over the place. So I like to keep very slim things in my secretarial pocket. This will fit nicely in secretarial pockets. This is the compact size, and as you can see, it fits nicely in there. And if I'm writing on my planner pages, I won't have to worry about it feeling lumpy. So let's take a closer look at these sticky notes. So this is how it looks up close. There is a plastic cover on here that I'm going to take off in a second. And this is the back. Now with these sticky notes, you don't get many. I believe the description said you get 10 per pad. So let's take a look at these. So here you have a plain square notepad. Again, it's very thin. There aren't many up here, just a few pages on each pad. This one is more, it has polka dots at the top here and lines. This can be used more like for a list. Then you have some horizontal post-it notes here. This one says note. This one says important, and it kind of allows you to point at something. And this one has a flower design here. And on the end here is another notepad with the word date at the bottom. And what I use these for is I like to, for example, when I think of things that I need to get from the store, I like to keep a post-it note. This one is a little wrinkled up because I actually I have taken it into the store with me a couple of times. But I like to put on my post-it notes what I plan to buy. So on here, when things pop into my mind that I need to purchase, I just put them here on this post-it note. And then when it's time for me to go into the store, I just lift the post-it note and take it with me in the store to keep things simple. That way I don't have to take my whole planner in the grocery store. So let's take a look at this next sticky notes. This is the Gingham Farm sticky notes, and again it has a Splendor profile. The Gingham Farm is mostly like black and gray colors in that collection, and I like it very, very much. Very much, very much. I thought that I wouldn't like it as much as the Splendor Love collection, but I actually like it a whole lot. I believe the Gingham Farm is great for people who are not very flashy. Some people may find this too flashy and too loud, and then some people love it. They feel, oh, it's super cute and it stands out. That's totally me. So some people are for that. I'm actually more of I'm introverted, and I'm very kind of to myself. I don't like drawing a lot of attention to myself. However, I do love beautiful things. So I love this Gingham Farm floral binder and the accessories that come with it. So these are the type of sticky notes you get. You get a square pad with a gingham pattern at the top there. Then you get kind of this longer pad with the word notes at the top. And then you have three like horizontal ones, one with that kind of points here, and the word date is across this way. And I do notice that is in black, so you will have to write with a color that will stand out with the black there. Then you have this one with a pretty floral design right there, and this one says top priority, and then this one on the side is like a longer one with a pretty and a little design at the bottom. So I know this is a very quick video, but I just wanted to show you these accessories in case you were wondering about them or you were interested in taking a closer look at these before making a purchase. If you have any questions about these items, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I don't mind answering questions at all. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope I gave you some ideas on how to use these items as well. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Now that I've had a chance to actually use these sticky notes, I wanted to tell you what I thought about them. Now, in the Splendor Planner Love sticky notes, I recommend. They are just perfect, no issues at all. I really like them. I do not recommend the Gingham Farm sticky notes. I had problems with them tearing. If you can see, there's residue up here at the top here. It just seems like it doesn't come off cleanly when you take one of them off. And so what happens is, like, because the sticky stuff doesn't come off right, it makes the corners, when you use the sticky note, the corners kind of curl and peel up because there's no stickiness right there. And because these don't peel off cleanly, I don't recommend these. So I hope you found this video helpful. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.